Hey everyone, Dave Putz here from JKP Holdings. Today I'm bringing you a chart that we created to help both note sellers figure out what the expected discount is and what factors matter when selling a note, and for note buyers to get an idea of where they should be bidding based on the note and what's important. As you can always see, you can sell your note from this chart or click here to use a financial calculator, which is what these are based off of. The first chart we're looking at here is an $100,000 note with 360 months of payments. As we scroll down here, this is a percentage of UPB. We don't bid this way, but it's a good idea of what you can estimate where our bid may be based on factors. With 360 payments and the loan being $100,000, if the note is written at an 8, 8.5, or 9, we use the left side. The top bar is the note buyer's desired interest rate when they go to purchase it. So if we're looking at a note that has a 9% coupon rate interest rate in the loan, and the note buyer wants a 15% yield, expect a 63% discount estimated roughly. However, understand that if we also want to look at a non-performing, and maybe this is not a partial, and that if it defaults, what can we do? This number may change. But understand this is a guide to understand what can and may happen when you submit a loan to sell and or looking to buy. The next chart we have here is a great one. Again, $100,000 balance, but 240 months of payments versus the 360. On the left side, again, we have the loan interest rate, what's already existing, and the top bar is the buyer's expected return, what they would want. And you'll see the discounts will be different from the chart above. When we look at this stuff, we see again, if it's a 9% coupon, they want a 15% yield. Because the fact it's 240 payments and not 360, the expected discount is at 87% of UPB in this factor. We have a few other charts showing seasoning and explanation there. And finally, we have a huge chart to show the entire range of possible interest rates. And you can see the expected discount from no point of view. The word par in this case means expected around 100% of UPB. However, most note buyers will never buy at that, simply to do the fact that they may not get any return in the deal. I hope this helps. Happy hunting. Let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to always submit your note for sale and reach out.